Yo, what's up? So I'm going to be focusing on this project again. Let me just start this up. Um, Wait, I can? Yeah, see? I can. If I go in the taskbar, I can. This basically ignored all the websites are blocked and I can focus. Article, article. Come on, bro. Oh, So in the editor tab in the agent launcher, I want to be able to close the sidebar in the editor because I can barely see the code. Like the sidebar is taking up half of the space for the code. So yeah, please do something about this and make sure I'm able to close the sidebar. As you can see in the image I recently, that is the sidebar, the thing I highlighted. Like in this application, see this is the extension. This extension gives us a message. And even if I remove this extension, YouTube is going to be blocked because I have this on my blocked side. So I'm basically making this website. I'm making this app so everyone can focus easily. Basically, there's a block list. You can block all the distracting apps. You can block the websites as well. Then there is a strict mode. When you start strict focus, literally nothing can stop you from focusing. You can try quitting, it won't work. See, strict mode is active. Quit is blocked until the damage is over. Then the best thing, in custom, basically this custom, whilst an app is open, like when cursor is open, block the following websites like Instagram, YouTube. So it is literally impossible for you to to stop focusing because you don't even need to start a session. Okay? Then there is a statistics. Yeah, this just shows how much you have focused this week. Obviously I have done more. Okay. Then the strict mode. Block every app and website except what you allow here. Yeah, so I can turn this on and this will block every single thing except what I allow. So let's say I want to allow only cursor and this agent launcher that I made so I can launch the agents easily. That means that only cursor and this would be allowed, nothing else. Yeah, but this is off right now because I have strict mode open. In strict mode, it's just better than this, honestly. Okay, so I have to rename this as well, and I have to allow the blocking of the websites as well. I mean the apps in here. This is going to be such a great tool. Like literally, this is going to be coming out next week, and it will allow you to focus so much more, bro. Look, I have the block list active for these 7 websites, and then yeah, the sidebar is not in your app code. You can in the projects. Explorer. My God, it's 60. Okay, check out. So this is the agent launcher that I made. I don't know why my PC is lagging. Let me stop them all. What the hell is this? You see, even if I close this, right? And let's say I try going to, let's say, Instagram, it's gonna say this. This is gonna be so epic. And this is the landing page I made yesterday. Actually, these past 2 days. And even if you disable this extension, let me see what's in the block tabs right now. I don't think I have YouTube. I will. Oh, okay, I do. So let's say I disable this extension. Where is disabling this extension? I can manage extension. Yeah, I disable this. And I go back to YouTube. I won't be allowed. Wait, what? Okay, that is an error. This is the block list, right? YouTube.com. YouTube.com. Yes. Yes. YouTube.com. Well, this is weird. Oh, I think the websites are getting blocked via the browser, yeah. But this should get tracked, meaning that I have okay, let's fix this now. Let's close this. Maybe go to backward project and then let's start. Before work, it's going to be such an epic blocker because I can block anything I want. Like genuinely, okay, we will see. And there's also going to be a free version for you guys. Let's try going the agent launcher. Okay, let's add poets. Hey, so there is an issue. The websites aren't getting blocked without the extension. So let's say the extension is, I close the extension, right? Then the websites, they aren't blocked anymore. Is there a way to bypass this without asking the user for administrator access every single time? Because I'm using NSIS and Windows service when the user downloads the application. So is there not a way for the user to bypass this? I mean, to bypass the administrator access every single time? Yeah. Okay, let's wait. Do I have any blocked apps? Oh, I don't. So yeah, let's say I am gonna block Notion. I'm pretty sure I can't launch Notion now because it will force close it. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I think I need to set the blocked apps up. Then I need to start focusing. But I can't even end session. Let's try again. What is this? Notion.exe, right? Okay, never mind. Okay, let's summarize. Ask Captain mentioning NHS installed into. Yes, but I'm talking about the paid section right now, right? So in the paid section, I don't want the user to be able to just close the extension, then YouTube and Instagram and all these distracting websites will be enabled. So is there a way to bypass this without asking the user for administrator access every single time, but only once during NSIS install? It's just somewhere out on here. Remember, you kinda, okay, it's just somewhere. Just in the paid section, so don't learn options. Ask me once in NSIS. So local system Windows service. Yeah, well, of course, if the user is an admin. You mean if they run the app as run as administrator, right? Then they can bypass it, but not if they don't. Okay, so I'm in the paid section, right? And when I close the extension, YouTube is getting unblocked for me. Can you please fix this and tell me what local system Windows is? Local system Windows service. What is this? Oh, you mean Windows service? I see. So I'm trying to learn as well. Under it, well, local the background program. Yeah, exactly. Is it true that if I run an app as administrator, like let's say I run cold turkey as an administrator, that I can so then I can bypass everything. I can bypass the blocker, right? Okay. What do we have to work on now? Let's see. Let's add some apps here as well. Okay, so in the screenshot I just sent you in the custom rules, you, you know where it says whilst cursor.exe is open, block the website. Okay, so in the website, I want to, yeah, you know how I can only block websites. I want to be able to block apps as well. So please add an option to block applications as well. Others settings, yeah, I have settings here as well. The settings I can. What the hell is this? Okay, so launch and start it. Okay, yeah, this is actually good as well. When I click end session, well, I have strict mode, but it's gonna say that you have to type something. Okay, then I think I'm also gonna add some password. Okay. Yeah, I can't block anything. Oh. Okay, so during the focus, when I have strict mode enabled, right? So during the focus, I can just remove an application from the block list. Please prevent this. Also, whilst I'm focusing and I add an application, it doesn't get blocked anymore. Please fix this. Fixing paid blocking will no longer allow an extension. See, so I can just open this up. I can see the electron app slash main.js. Okay, let's see this. Yeah. I 100% understand all of this. So, mm, yep. So what did we do? Look at the exchange requires system first blocking system inside the folder. Extension blocker. Source services completely. See now, youtube.com and like so I'm currently focusing. Okay, I have a strict mode focus session working. Is it possible that I can see the changes whilst I'm focusing? Uh, strict mode. Yeah, so it says locked until 12:50. Damn, so even if I refresh, it did refreshing this unit. Um, okay, no problem. Strict mode. Hey, so in the Electron app, uh, you can see the image I just sent you, right? I want to change the name of the strict mode in the custom because I already have a custom route, right? And I mean, I already have a strict mode route, right? So these both are contradicting. So can you please change the name and make it more suitable? What did this guy do? Add to memory after every single conversation I have with you. I want you to explain what you did under 80 words and what files you changed. Let me see the logs. Yeah, fixed focus. Okay, let's see. There's some doors blocking the page and the code with the logic. What? I'm not getting this error, bro. God, okay, so I'm getting this error while I'm on the page section. And you said that the blocker works without the extension when I'm on the paid section. Of course, there is no paid, free, or basic section right now because I'm just working on everything all at once. But yeah, I have like every single access on the website. I'm still getting this modal. So yeah, so please fix this. Okay, so let's say I have started a strict mode focus. Okay, then when I have started a strict mode focus, I go to the home and I can see the stopwatch running. Okay, but then I refresh and the stopwatch stops running. Please fix this. I want to be able to see the stopwatch running no matter what. Until or unless the strict mode timer is actually yeah the stopper running should never ever end unless or until I click end session myself and unless or until I'm also out of the strict mode itself. Until or I said unless or oh, so guys, do you think this app looks good right now? Because you can literally focus as much as you want with with this application, but you can't do shit to bypass this. I think this is going to be such a great tool. Let me turn the extension on. Oh, see, the extension blocker active. Yeah. Okay, let's go back in the browser. Let's use no, bro, we don't. Why is this work? YouTube. Non-local host, are you stupid, bro? No. What? Am I talking? How the hell did I just close this? What the hell? Hmm. Okay, I'm back. Oh my god, usage ran out. I have 9% left till 2 a.m. That's sad, bro. The browser is still not working. Okay, Okay.